stayed at my fair share of hotels, guest houses, and Airbnbs across Jamaica, from the hills to the coast. But Lashings Beach Club, now this one stands out. Tucked away in the laid-back gem of Treasure Beach, this spot is like a love letter to relaxation. Picture this, a garden paradise that looks like Mother Nature went all out. Rooms so cozy, they feel like a warm patty in your hand. Artful decor that makes you say, what kind of niceness is this? And food so good, it makes your taste buds bust a wine. And let's not forget the Caribbean sea view, a front row seat to peace and quiet with a splash of salt and sunshine. Chill vibes, friendly people. Whether you're looking for rest, romance, or just a reset, this place delivers. I'm Alexia, and this is Jamaica in 10. In this episode, I'm taking you on a tour of Lashings Beach Club to show you why this little slice of paradise should be your next vacation getaway. Let's go. First, let's talk about the rooms. Each room at Lashings Beach Club is named after a tropical fruit: strawberry, star apple, pineapple, mango, banana, papaya, and guava, instantly setting the tone for a vibrant island escape. While the decor leans toward minimalism, no two rooms are alike. Each space is thoughtfully and uniquely styled, featuring a cozy bed, charming nightstands, smart furniture for luggage and storage, and eye-catching artwork that adds character to the walls. The ensuite bathrooms come equipped with essentials, ensuring comfort and convenience throughout your stay. Best of all, the rates are refreshingly affordable, thank God, allowing you to enjoy a slice of paradise without blowing your budget. From standard rooms to deluxe suites, there is something to suit every traveler's taste and wallet. The rooms are surrounded by a jungle of well-loved plants, from swaying palms to blooming tropical flowers, all looking so vibrant and healthy, you would swear they are on a strict skincare routine. It's clear they're pampered daily and they breathe life into the entire property, like nature's own interior designers. As you stroll around, prepare to be amused by cheeky signs sprinkled across the grounds. One reads, "Life is too short to be serious all the time. So if you can't laugh at yourself, call me, I'll do it for you." Another gem from the Lashings weather station reads, "If the coconut is white, that means snow. If the coconut is gone, that means there's a hurricane." And for those seeking serenity, signs like "The ocean fixes everything" offers a gentle reminder to relax and exhale. Feeling inspired, you can even leave your mark, literally, by adding your name to a wooden sign that joins the decor. And as you explore the property, you'll be greeted by birdhouses, charming marine-themed pieces, including sharks and turtles that add a splash of the sea to this already vibrant oasis. And if the sun gets a little too spicy, there's a refreshing pool waiting for you. With a depth of under 5 feet, even non-swimmers like me can take a dip without worry. Though, of course, always exercise caution. Prefer to stay dry? No problem. Kick back and unwind on this pool deck, stretch out on a lounger, or sway gently in this hammock as you take in the easygoing island atmosphere. After that refreshing swim, chances are you'll be craving something cool. That's where the treetop bar comes in, ready to serve up icy goodness in a glass. Whether you're in the mood for a boozy daiquiri, a creamy milkshake, or a margarita mixed with the kind of precision that would impress a picky drinker, this bar delivers pure satisfaction, one sip at a time. And for the kids, there's ice cream and ice pops. Picture this. Your drink in your hand, just a few lazy steps from the ocean, waves whispering sweet nothings in the background. tropical plants swaying nearby, and the occasional bird gliding by like it's auditioning for a tourism ad. It's not just a vibe, it's a whole mood. And when hunger strikes, the restaurant has you covered with menu that satisfies every craving. From Jamaican traditional breakfast to continental spreads, gourmet pizzas, it's a culinary vacation in and of itself. There's plenty of seating on the deck if you want a breezy view, or right here on the sand under the shade of a friendly almond tree if you're feeling a little extra island. And for the parents thinking, what about the kids? No worries, they have high chairs on standby, so even the littlest guests can dine in comfort and style. And just when you think they've thought of everything, they have. There is also this cute little playground nearby where kids can swing, slide, and burn off that endless energy. All within view so you can supervise while sipping on something cold. One of the freshest gems to pop up at Lashings Beach Club is this charming little gift shop, Treasure Buds and Records. And yes, the name alone already sounds like somewhere you'd stumble upon some hidden treasure, or at least a really cool t-shirt. Inside, you'll find a delightful mix of souvenirs, handcrafted Jamaican woodwork, herbal teas that promise to ease your mind, all natural health and beauty products, and yes, Bob Marley everything. We're talking iconic teas, original vinyl records, and enough reggae vibes to make your suitcase hum one love all the way home. Need mosquito repellent? They've got that too, because nothing ruins a tropical mood faster than itchy ankles. Now here's the plot twist. The shop was closed during my visit. So sadly, no vinyl or wooden keychains for me this time. But trust me, next trip, I'm budgeting for a mini shopping spree right here at Treasure Buds. Because what's a vacation without coming home with at least one item you didn't need but just had to have? This trip was actually a pre-birthday getaway for my good friend Gina. Yes, that's Gina from Jason and Gina. And I'm happy to report that she had an amazing time. We all did. Laughter, good vibes, beautiful views. It was the kind of trip that fills your memory card and your heart. So while you're here, go ahead and show some love. Hit that subscribe button for Jason and Gina too. Treasure Bud Records, I'm coming for you next time. I never skip a souvenir shop. I hope you learned something today because I certainly did. I'm Alexia and this has been Jamaica in 10. Until next time, walk good and stay vibing in some true Jamaican vibes. Now I'm here inside Treasure Buds and Records. That's a gift shop on property here at Lashings Beach Club. And the owner heard that we were here and we wanted to come inside, and he was kind enough to come and open up for us, and I got a few goodies. So first let me show you what they have in store. So you can get sun hats here, you can get shirts, swimsuits, and these are original vinyl records. We have artists like Dennis Brown, Bob Marley, we have Michael Jackson. So if you're a music lover, this is definitely the place for you. We have some artifacts here. We have sandals, teas, sunglasses, and other fashion items, necklaces over there. As mentioned earlier, we have mosquito repellent, beach towels, natural soaps for our persons who love to light up. We have a whole lot of stuff here for you as well. So these are what I got. So the owner, Miss Sandra, she's an author, and her husband told me that this is her second book, Lulu Adventures in a Dog's Life, and I actually got one. And I actually got this African black soap as well, peppermint infused. I got my Jamaica bucket hat, And I also got one of these fridge magnet things for Gina. So yeah, so when you come to Lashings, just come on down to Treasure Buds and Records and just get yourself something where you never did really need, but yeah, it was just necessary for you to have.